Today we're gonna make a Mickey Mouse. To begin with, let's connect the dots and make the outline using a black sketch color. Like this. Yay! The big ears. Now we take the black sketch color and start filling in the color like this. Nice and easy. Nice and easy straight strokes. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Draw the edges first and then fill in the color like this. Now the other ear. Nice straight strokes. Be careful at the narrow areas. Fill the color in the entire circle here. Fill in the gaps. Now the sides of the cheek. Darken the outline of the face. Fill in the gaps. Now the eyebrows. The other one. Make sure it's neatly done. Now fill in the color on the nose, like this. Now the eyes. And the mouth. Mickey has a huge smile on his face. Nice and steady. Don't cross over the outline. Stay in. Yay! Now since Mickey's tongue is out, now let's take the color orange and start painting the face. Nice and easy. Be careful on the narrow areas. Don't spill the color. Nice and easy straight strokes. Like this. Around the eyes, be very careful. We don't want any orange color in the eye, so keep it on the face. Nice and easy. Be very careful. Start coloring the edges first and then fill in the color. Alright. We are gonna do the same thing for the rest of the face. Nice and gentle strokes. Like this. So that it gives a beautiful texture to the face. Very carefully. Especially around the eyes. Nice and gentle, easy strokes. Be very careful. Fill in the color. Make sure we don't smudge over the color. Let's do it around the nose, all the way on the upper lip, and let's smooth out the edge here. Fill in all the gaps, like this. Now take the color red and let's color the tongue of the Mickey Mouse. Like this. Yay! That was fun. And our Mickey Mouse is ready! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.